Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to the channel once again. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get animated profile pictures on Discord without having to need a Discord Nitro account. So the way we do this is by using this app called the Discord Plus Plus. As you can see, I have it installed on this iPhone, the newer iPhones and Androids as well. This works on any device, and what it does is basically lets us add Discord Nitro on the device completely for free and basically use the features of the Discord Nitro to set an animated GIF. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on Get Nitro. As you can see, we have option to basically get it for 00, and we can go ahead and add it on the device without actually having to pay anything. So let's go ahead and do that. So as you can see, it says the Discord Nitro is activated. Now once this is activated, you can simply go ahead and use it to change the profile picture to any animated GIF. But this is not going to work. Actually, you don't actually get a subscription. It's only going to be for the device that you do it on. So you can go ahead and set the profile picture and even promote servers if you want to do that. But this will not work if you switch the device. It will not work if the device is switched, even though you will have the profile picture even after, but you will not be able to change it on a different device. It's going to be bound to the device that you do it on. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get the Discord Plus Plus app installed on your iOS and Android devices. So without further ado, what I'm going to do is just go ahead and get rid of the app from my devices so I can exactly show you how to install it. So guys, without further ado, let's get right on with the video. So guys, before we can go ahead and download the Discord Plus Plus on our iOS or Android based devices, so we can use it to set animated profile pictures on Discord and get access to the Nitro features basically, the first thing we have to do is make sure the devices that we're trying to do it on are all prepared for that. What I mean by that is simply making sure the background app refresh on our iOS and Android based devices is set to the right option. If you don't know what that is, it's basically an option on the iOS and Android based devices which lets us install tweaked and modded applications like the Discord Plus Plus onto our devices without having to jailbreak in the case of iOS and root in the case of Androids. So it's super simple to do. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it on iOS first, and then we'll move on with the Android devices. So in case you're using any iOS device, simply go ahead and open up your settings and scroll down to the general settings. Once you see general, just go ahead and open that up and scroll down once again to the background app refresh option and simply go ahead and click on it. Now make sure the background app refresh on the device is set to on. In case this option is not set to on, simply go ahead and tap on that and set it to Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now you can also set it to Wi-Fi if you're using a Wi-Fi connection, but I recommend using Wi-Fi and mobile data just to be sure the app can be added on the device no matter what kind of internet connection you are connected to. With that done, our iOS device is now ready for the app. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do this on Android. So in case you're using an Android device, it's going to be quite similar as well. Simply go ahead and open up your settings and scroll down until you see the battery settings. Simply go ahead and open that up and scroll down once again to the high performance mode. Now on some Android devices you will notice this option doesn't even exist. If that's the case, you don't have to worry about it, but if you have the option, just go ahead and enable it. This is going to force enable the background app refresh, and that is exactly what we want. And once again, if you don't have the option, you don't have to worry about it. With that done, our Android device is ready as well. I'm going to go ahead and move back to the iOS device so we can move on with the rest of the process. The rest of the process is identical for both iOS and Android, so you can do exactly what I do on the iOS device even if you're using an Android device. So all we're going to do after the devices are prepared is simply go ahead and launch a browser. Now this can be Safari on iOS devices and Chrome on your Android devices, and simply navigate to this website called the itweak.vip. Make sure you get it right. It's itweak.vip. So once you're on there, all you have to do is go ahead, click on the search bar and search for Discord. So as you can see, we have the Discord Plus Plus right here. Simply go ahead and tap on that and click on Start. This is going to start compiling all the files that we need onto the device to get the Discord Plus Plus app. So just give it a couple of seconds to prepare this, and this should be ready. So just as soon as that's done, it's going to take us to this installation page where all we have to do is simply go ahead and add the required files on the device and follow the given instructions to unpack them and get the Discord++. So simply go ahead and read the instructions and install the required file onto the device from the App Store or Play Store it's going to be on. So it's 100% safe. Just go ahead and wait for it to download and open it up for 30 seconds. Now make sure you open the files for a minimum of 30 seconds just to be sure it has plenty of time to actually unpack on the device. So I'm just going to go ahead and spend 30 seconds playing around this file and then we'll move on with the next one. And that's going to be about 30 seconds. Now let's go ahead, head back to the installation page and do the same with the last file added on the device and wait for it to download. Open this one up for 30 seconds as well. And that's going to be 30 seconds as well. Now let's go ahead and confirm if the Discord++ was added on the device. So as you can see, it says the files were added, please restart the device now. So once it says that, files have been added on the device, and all we have to do now is simply go ahead and restart our devices. Now it's going to be same for both iOS and Android. Just go ahead and restart the device, slide to power off, and wait for the device to turn off before we actually go ahead and turn it back on. And just like that, we have the Discord++ added on the device. And that is how simple it is. If you have any questions regarding the whole process, simply go ahead and leave them down in the comments and I'll look into it. And with that, guys, this is going to be the end of this video. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.